Well guys, thanks for tuning in. Just before we start, I just want to say a big thanks to Harley Davidson Østfold in Sarpsborg, Norway. Without them I couldn't have made all the videos I made. They let me try all the bikes, and actually with this one I just did the tour of all the models. That's the last one. With this one I tried all of the models, all of the Harley Davidson models, which I think was quite a fun round. So now I have a good base to talk about those different models. So today we'll talk about FLTRXS, also called Road Glide Special. And this one is actually for sale. I will put the link in the comment. And as you can see, it has a special green color. It's a number 166 on 200, so it's a custom paint. We call it actually Kermit due to the green color, but it's a monster. I mean, under that custom paint, it's I think they did stage 4 on that, plus over 50 different modification. Usually the Road Glide is not a model that are quite used to customization, but it's usually a fantastic canvas for those that are interested in customization. It has the Milwaukee 8 engine, and normally it's the 107, but since I think there is a stage 4 on that one with 125 horsepower. It might be different. So there is a Boombox. Originally there is a 4.3, but I think they put a 6.5 GT audio system on it because it has GPS and touchscreen. They have ABS as well. The engine is air cooled and oil cooled. It's normally as said a 107 cubic inch, which is about 1746 cc. It has maximum torque of 111 at 3250 rpm. What I liked about it is that it's quite soft when you ride it, and that's because of the suspension. I mean, the rear suspension is emulsion shock, and you can adjust the preload. The tires are quite alright as well. It's 130 in front and 180 in the back. Makes it quite stable on the road. The brakes, they have ABS on those models, so it stops quite well as well. What can I say more about it? I mean, the best is just to go and if you are in the area, just try it. I mean, it was an amazing moment. I mean, as you know, I'm usually sporty. I like sportsters, and as I said, I tried most of the models, and this one is quite special. I mean, that was amazing. That Road Glide Special is one of my favorite Road Glide. But as said, the link will be in the description if you have more information, and you can as well give them a call and go and try it. So thank you very much, and we see you on the next video. Bye bye guys.